극적으로 대종말 아마겟돈을 막아내고 천국의 간섭에서 벗어난 아즈라파엘은 한 쪽지를 받게 되는데
There is something about which I need to speak with you.
바로 옆에서 레코드샵을 운영하는 매기의 쪽지였죠.
I know how behind I am on the rent.
I believe you said you were getting in some Shostakovich records for me.
음반 몇 장으로 월세를 탕감해주는 착한 건물주 아즈라파엘. 그 시각 크롤리 또한 자유로움을 만끽하고 있었는데
I brought your mail. Bills mostly.
크롤리의 자리엔 후임으로 악마 샥스가 와 있었습니다.
Something's up.
Upworm.
Something's going down in the up.
얼마 뒤 매기는 건너편 카페 사장 니나를 찾아가고 대천사 가브리엘이 홀딱 벗고 어디론가 향하고 있습니다. 바로 여기로요.
What am I doing here?
I don't know. That's why I asked.
It's not something you see every day.
And also who you are and also who I am.
Just get in.
가브리엘은 모든 기억을 잃은 상태였는데
Why did you come to my shop?
Something terrible might not happen to me.
What's something terrible?
I don't know. I just know that it's incredibly awful and that's why I had to come here and give you the thing.
There's nothing in here.
Then I was.
Gabriel, please.
What's Gabriel?
You are.
Cool. I love it.
Although, actually, anyone asks, you're not Gabriel.
Then what am I?
Jim.
Jim. Cool. I love it.
Well then, please, tell me what was in the box.
What box?
그 시각 천국에선 하급 천사 무리엘이 무언가를 발견합니다.
I'm just saying if anyone is found helping him, we are prepared to use extreme sanctions.
Extreme sanctions.
Yes.
얼마 뒤 악마 샥스는 다시 크롤리를 찾아갑니다.
Whatever's going on concerns Gabriel.
Is that all? Hello, it's me. Don't say anything. Meet me over the road from the bookshop.
Right. What's the problem?
How's your naked man friend?
He's not my...
You're a dark horse, Mr. Fell.
And why don't we go into your shop and discuss it there? You have a guess who Shax was asking me about?
Jim? We know Jim.
Hi there.
Gabriel! What's he doing here? I don't know.
We can just take him somewhere and leave him there.
He's in trouble.
All the more reason for him to be nowhere near us when it does.
If you refuse to help me, then of course, to go. No, I would love you to help me. But if you won't, you won't.
I won't.
그 시각 준비한 음반 선물을 들고 니나를 찾아가는 매기.
Have anything to play it on?
Brought over the LP without asking.
I need to finish closing the shop. My partner's expecting me home.
You have a partner.
Who really doesn't like it when I'm late?
그런데 창밖으로 크롤리가 보입니다.
No, this is not happening. What's wrong? In case of a power cut, the security system kicks in. This door's just auto-locked. We're going to be in here for a while.
My phone's dead.
So's mine.
다시 천국에선 무리엘이 자신이 찾은 물건을 보고합니다.
I found something by the lift to down.
하지만 수상한 성냥갑 안은 텅 비어 있었고
It's definitely an earthly object. I think he's gone to Earth.
그때 크롤리에게는 대악마 바알세불이 찾아오는데
Is that a new face?
Well, this old thing.
And it shall be your place of destruction.
I've had it for ages. What if I said hell was willing to forget everything you did?
Doesn't that just sound like the sort of thing you're likely to say?
The Archangel Gabriel has vanished.
Well, how mysterious.
We think someone must be hiding him from us. If you found Gabriel and handed him over to us, you could name your price. Upstairs is seriously troubled about Gabriel's disappearance. I'm hearing that anybody they find involved in this affair will be dealt with.
How?
Extreme sanctions will be erased from the Book of Life. They will never have existed.
No, Aziraphale, what have you done?
아즈라파엘이 걱정된 크롤리는 다시 서점으로 향하고 그 시각 아직도 카페에 갇혀있는 니나와 매기는
When my phone goes back on, there's going to be about 100 worried texts from Lindsay.
Oh, someone's coming this way. Signs.
It's him!
Oh, my bad.
That's Lindsay.
I'm back.
Very nice.
Now, We need to keep him here and hide him. From who? Everybody. Heaven, hell, humanity. Little miracle.
I think heaven would notice if I was to perform even a very minor miracle.
I don't want hell taking an interest either. If we each did half a miracle.
두 존재는 힘을 반씩만 써 천국과 지옥을 모두 속이기로 했고 가브리엘을 그 누구도 알아볼 수 없게 만듭니다.
I think it took. No one will have noticed a thing.
You spotted Gabriel?
Not as such, but
I see. We may not know where Gabriel is, but I'll tell you what we do know. There's a former angel in this up to his bookshop-owning neck.
얼마 뒤 샥스가 또 크롤리를 찾아옵니다.
A miracle of enormous power happened last night. The kind of miracle only the mightiest of archangels could have performed. Help us, and we will be grateful. You do understand I'm threatening you?
한편 아즈라파엘은 가브리엘이 웬 노래를 흥얼거리는 걸 듣게 되고
Every day, it's getting closer. What are you singing?
Perhaps I made it up.
심상치 않다고 느낀 아즈라파엘은 매기를 찾아가 그 노래에 관해 묻는데
You're crying.
I'm not.
Because I...
Yes, I know I'm crying. Well, I'm certainly not crying over her.
No. Naturally not.
I'm pretty sure I'm in love. Took me months to nerve myself up to even bring her an LP, and then, absolutely, we got locked in the coffee shop last night. And she already has a partner. What am I going to do?
Can I get back to you on that?
Your job to sort out my doomed love life. The song is called Every Day by Buddy Holly and Norman Petty.
Do you have a copy?
Pub in Edinburgh. I send them singles for the jukebox and they send me back copies of Every Day. They say every record they play eventually just turns into that song.
Oh, that's not good at all.
What?
They're here.
대천사들이 아즈라파엘을 찾아온 거죠.
where is Gabriel?
I'm Jim.
하지만 기적이 통했는지 대천사들은 가브리엘을 알아보지 못하고
Did you think we wouldn't see the plume?
Last night, from this shop.
변명을 위해 어떻게든 머리를 쥐어짜봅니다.
It was, love. Yes, Maggie, who owns the record shop, is in love with Nina over the road. Nina doesn't love her back, and, well, Maggie's my tenant. I did a big miracle to make it so that she and Nina fell in love.
And did it work?
Oh, yes.
I'll send someone tomorrow morning to log in and verify the miracle.
일단 천만다행 가브리엘을 눈치채지 못한 채 천사들이 떠나고 당장 크롤리를 찾아가 보는데
Mr. Fell.
Hello.
From Brown's World of Carpets? We met at the Wickborough Street Traders and Shopkeepers Association annual meeting several years ago. We'd be delighted to host one of our monthly get-togethers. Thursday night after closing.
아즈라파엘은 방금 전 일을 크롤리에게 전했고
Nina and Maggie fall in love. Heaven's suspicions are allayed.
A sudden rainstorm forces them together beneath a canopy. They look into each other's eyes and realize they were made for each other.
If you're going to invoke fiction, you might as well do it properly. You remember Jane Austen? She had balls.
Well.
그리고 가브리엘이 흥얼거리던 노래에 관해서도 알려줬죠.
Tell me, what do you know?
I remember a song I sang this morning.
But where did you hear it?
I heard it this morning. It came out of my mouth.
Come on, think. What is the very first thing you remember?
I remember when the morning stars sang together. And
all the angels of God shouted for joy. Your boss said that to Job.
기원전 2500년 크롤리는 신이 가장 사랑하던 인간 욥을 찾아가 끔찍한 재앙을 내리고 있었는데
Stay your hand, demon, despised tool of Satan. In the name of the Almighty, I command thee, begone! No. It's you. Dear me.
See, I have a permit. From whom? From God.
신과 사탄은 재앙을 받은 욥이 과연 신을 욕할 것인지 내기를 했고 크롤리는 심부름을 받아 재앙을 내리러 온 것인데 믿을 수 없던 아즈라파엘은 사실을 확인하러 천국으로 올라갔고
That's all fine.
Good heaven. Just his worldly goods.
Well, nothing important, no. His oxen, his children.
His children?
그래도 자식들만큼은 살려달라며 대천사들을 찾아가지만
God will reward him with twice as much as he had.
Twice the children. Twice the children. We're not bringing the old ones back.
My children.
What is it now?
Cities, my dear, this person was looking for the children.
Oh, yeah. I thought you could deal with someone to check up on the kids.
No. God wouldn't.
Are you sure?
아이들은 지켜주겠다는 거짓말에 욥은 은신처를 불어버렸고
Wally, but you don't have to. And I don't think you want it.
I long to destroy the blameless children of blameless Job.
May God forgive you.
그 순간 동시에 같은 생각을 떠올린 두 존재. 곧바로 욥의 세 자녀를 찾아간 둘은
Sent here to destroy you all. Ready?
저택에 불을 지르며 아이들은 다른 장소로 옮겨버리죠.
Will someone please tell me?
Can I be a blue one?
Oh, sure.
그날 밤 사탄은 욥의 자녀들이 있던 저택을 완전히 박살내고 다음날 욥은 신과 대화를 하고 돌아오는데
What did God say?
I'm not sure.
And the children? Did they mention the children?
No.
그때 천사들이 욥을 찾아오고
Virtuous Job, you have passed God's test.
Our children.
Your 3 children are completely dead. God now grants that you may conceive 7 more children.
I don't want more children.
그 순간 크롤리가 출산 전문가를 자처하며 등장.
Reach into his robes.
Oh, yeah, ribs. It's all part of the process. I've seen this before.
And to complete the process, a simple embrace.
They're not babies.
Was Eve a baby?
Was she?
No, they can arrive at any size.
The resurrectionist.
Pub has a jukebox. This record was found on the jukebox. It doesn't seem to matter what people in the pub want to listen to. Sooner or later, every record turns into this. It is, as you might say, a miracle. So, I thought I might pop up there myself and investigate.
You can't drive my Bentley.
And while I'm gone, you can look after the bookshop. And Gabriel. Yes?
한편 카페 주인 니나는
Take my advice, you won't look at it. You make better coffee when you're happier. The girls notice.
니나의 현 애인은 집착이 너무 심했습니다.
Oh, that's nice. Somebody's got a sense of humour or an interesting kink.
Open up!
Good morning, officer.
Oh, wonderful. Exactly. I'm a human police officer.
누가 봐도 천사인 무리엘이 아즈라파엘을 찾아왔습니다.
Why don't you just go by train? You love trains.
Hello.
Tell me, Constable.
Inspector.
You are dressed as a constable.
First visit to Earth, is it, by any chance?
Yes. I mean, it's amazing, isn't it? Just the...
Word with you, Angel, in private.
No, but I'm supposed to observe you.
Tell you everything we talked about after.
Great. Thanks.
What is that angel doing here?
Verify the 25 Lazari miracle you and I seem to have accidentally performed together the other night.
둘은 아즈라파엘이 거짓말한 대로 니나와 매기가 사랑에 빠지게 만들어야 합니다.
I have a plan.
Excellent. Car keys, please.
All done?
Yes. You wouldn't be interested in humans falling in love, would you?
Yes, I am. Oh, especially...
Maggie and Nina over the road. Ah, yes. We humans of Earth have a saying. You can only tell if people are in love by waiting a few days. I'll just be here helping to run this bookshop while my friend drives my car to Edinburgh.
그렇게 아즈라파엘은 감시에서 벗어나 에든버러로 향하고
Excuse me.
What? I'm a bit busy.
I just needed to ask you about your love life.
Get out now.
아즈라파엘은 에든버러에서의 과거를 회상하죠.
And he insisted I visit a local graveyard at midnight.
It's depressingly accurate.
It's definitely Gabriel.
Probably comes here to stare at it. I think there's someone here.
그때 두 존재는 방금 묻힌 시신을 뒤지던 도굴꾼 엘스페스를 발견하고
My side are gonna love a spot of booty snatch. This isn't good.
아즈라파엘은 엘스페스에게 가르침을 주고 싶었죠.
Don't you know that it's wrong?
하지만 찢어지게 가난한 엘스페스는 시체를 의사에게 팔아 간신히 먹고 사는 처지.
You're right, we Morag. Never better, hen.
게다가 그 돈으로 병든 친구 모라그를 먹여 살리기까지 하고 있었는데
Please tell me you didn't.
She absolutely did.
It was just this once, and you'll never go to bed hungry. You're going to hell, hen.
Quite right.
지난 날을 떠올리며 에든버러에 도착한 아즈라파엘은 곧바로 매기가 말한 문제의 술집으로 향하고
I'm just here to get the skinny lowdown on that mysterious song that played itself on your establishment's jukebox. Was this chap, by any chance, among those present?
Well, yeah.
Was he alone?
Oh, no. Was he with? Oh, was he a big high-up or something?
He certainly used to be.
단서를 얻고 나오던 아즈라파엘은 다시 회상에 잠깁니다. 시체를 팔러 가던 엘스페스를 설득하던 그때로 말이죠.
But people get a choice.
That only works if you start everyone off equal. You can't start someone off like that and expect it to do as well as someone born in a castle.
The lower you start, the more opportunities you have.
That's lunacy.
No, that's ineffable.
얼마 뒤 그들은 의사에게 도착하고
Mr. Dalrymple, FRCSE.
It would have taken a miracle to render that freshly buried body unsellable.
Oh dear.
I'm not paying a penny for this soup.
You did this, didn't you?
Just an unexpected blessing.
분노한 엘스페스는 자리를 박차고 아즈라파엘은 의사에게도 조치를 취하려 하는데
It's terrible, buying the bodies. But I'm trying to teach students anatomy and basic physiology.
Dire need of bodies. Why not dig them up yourself?
What is your professional opinion on that, Doctor? I removed this tumor from a 7-year-old boy.
We need to cut. If we can't cut, we can't learn. If we can't learn more, a lot more, then how on earth are we going to win the battle against monstrosities like this one?
I'm just trying to save lives and teach students. I either end up with a knighthood or condemned as a resurrectionist and hanging from a rope.
간판 그림은 그때 만났던 의사와 너무나 닮아 있었고 한편 그날 밤 초조한 표정의 바알제불이 등장하는데
Is there any news about Gabriel yet?
No.
Tell me the moment we learn anything.
Of course. Lord Beelzebub.
여전히 바알제불은 가브리엘을 찾느라 혈안이었고 가브리엘과 크롤리는 서점에서 책을 정리하고 있었는데
Gravity. So things would stay where you put them, not just drift off.
But it doesn't stay where I put them. It goes down. Except for flies, they go up.
Well observed.
크롤리는 가브리엘에게 니나와 매기를 관찰하라는 업무를 내리고
Haven't done weather in ages.
아즈라파엘은 과거 엘스페스를 처음 본 묘지를 찾아가 오랜 기억을 되짚어 보는데
I don't want your help.
But you were right. Body snatching alleviates human suffering. That is a good thing. So I can help this time.
의사의 말에 마음이 바뀐 아즈라파엘은 이제 엘스페스를 도우려 하죠.
You trip this wire and then boom.
엘스페스를 따라온 친구 모라그가 도굴 방지용 총탄에 맞아버린 거죠.
I'm going to save her. This is all my fault.
하지만 그가 손을 쓰기 전 모라그는 숨을 거두었고
Well, what if you fetch the cart?
Whatever for?
I should let her rot in the ground while I starve.
Well, it's not soup, I'll give you that. Shall we say £5?
£5.
But I'll give you 5.
돌아가던 엘스페스는 독극물병 하나를 몰래 챙기고
Bottle of good wine with the proceeds, so we can all toast wee Morag. We'll toast her, then I'm going.
Going?
To join wee Morag.
그 사이 독이 든 포도주를 다 마셔버린 크롤리는 부작용 때문인지 거대화돼 버리고
Trying to kill yourself? It's not on! How much have you got in your wallet?
About 90 guineas.
That should be enough. Give her that. Buy a farm and be good. There you are then, hen, off your pot.
Well, they'll surely have noticed downstairs.
Trust me, if hell noticed that little display, I'd already be...
A mobile phone that I could use.
A minute.
That's very kind of you. I'd like you to call the telephone in my bookshop, please.
Phil's bookshop.
And do you remember the statue of Gabriel in the graveyard in Edinburgh? Do you remember Dr. Dalrymple? He left Edinburgh in disgrace, and then he killed himself. Oh. And they named a pub after him. Clue. Gabriel has indeed visited the establishment in question in company with...
With?
I don't know, someone. But
Anyway, that's a proper clue, isn't it?
I'll see you when you get back. Lovely rainy rainbow.
크롤리는 이쪽 두 사람을 이어주느라 정신이 없습니다.
I'd never...
I know. I'm not your type.
Yes, it's working.
You have no idea.
That could have gone better.
하지만 그때 가브리엘의 눈빛이 이상해집니다.
There will come a tempest, and darkness, and great storms, and the dead will leave their graves and walk the earth once more.
What are we talking about now?
He's in there.
You think so?
You know I can't step over the threshold.
Oh, shame I can't invite you. You have no idea the trouble you're causing, do you?
No?
If any harm comes to Aziraphale because of this, I will
Yes?
Oh, it doesn't matter. It's too late for that now, isn't it?
그날 밤 출장길에서 돌아오던 아즈라파엘은 히치하이킹을 하던 이를 태워주게 되는데
Thank you. It's Aziraphale, isn't it?
You have the advantage of me.
Crowley's got Gabriel, hasn't he?
I really have no idea what you're talking about.
Sometime in the last 18, 19 years, I remember hearing that you and Crowley were united.
1941년 2차 대전이 한창이던 런던. 아즈라파엘은 금서들을 챙겨 나치 스파이들과 접선 중이었는데
You have the books for the Führer? Books of prophecy.
The Führer will be most grateful.
Such a pity you must be eliminated. But take heart. You do not appear worried, my friend.
He's not worried.
Who is she? To Captain Rose Montgomery of British Military Intelligence.
Allow me to introduce Fräulein Greta Kleinschmidt. She works with us.
위기의 순간 크롤리가 등장하고
Sorry, consecrated ground. What are you doing here? Stopping you getting into trouble. In about a minute, a German bomber will release a bomb that will land right here. Very, very fast. You might not die.
You expect us to believe that?
You're all wasting your valuable running away time.
그렇게 크롤리는 아즈라파엘을 살려주고 책들도 돌려줍니다. 그리고 그때 죽은 나치 간첩 3사람은 샥스가 일하고 있던 지옥 출입국으로 떨어집니다.
We should not be here. I had the Luftwaffe's bombing plans and everything was going to the east end of London.
Absolutely. It has something to do with that swine Crowley.
Crowley?
Crowley and his bookseller friend, Mr. Fell.
Still for a minute. So this all happened in a church. And this Crowley was there. In a church. On hallowed ground.
이 얘기를 전해들은 샥스는 그들을 도와주기로 합니다.
I could get you in front of the Dark Council.
I can grant you temporary license to go back up to Earth as zombies for 24 hours. This to be an angel, and not just associating, but actively working together. I will be authorized to grant you freedom from hell and damnation.
What if this angel, Mr. Fell's heavenly powers against?
Don't worry about that. I recently qualified as an authorized miracle blocker.
What do we do when we find the proof?
Just twist the jewel on this. That summons me. I'll be right there. As newly inculcated members of the undead, you will experience periods of bloodlust which you will have to satisfy. These cravings can only be quenched by the consumption of living human brains.
그렇게 좀비로 되살아난 나치 간첩 3인조.
Oh, they're great.
그 시각 크롤리와 아즈라파엘은 크롤리의 임무를 위해 극장에 술 배달을 하러 왔고
Broken? All of them? Yeah, I did a park right next to the place where a bomb went off,
I
Mrs.
paid you for 40 bottles and I bloody well want them. What a day. And to top it all off, tonight's magician has just been arrested as a deserter.
I wonder if I might be able to help.
크롤리에게 보답하고 싶었던 아즈라파엘은 졸지의 마술 공연을 하게 됐고 그런 그들을 감시하는 3인방.
Let me look. I'm an expert lip reader. It says banana.
Banana.
Fish.
Fish.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
What you do tonight has to be bigger.
You're right, of course.
본격적인 공연을 위해 둘은 근처 마술 도구 가게로 향하는데
I need a showstopper. What about this? We call this one the Professor's Nightmare.
Yes, I'm looking for something with a bit more scale, something climactic. Bullet couch. Lovely.
No. 12 people have died presenting this effect.
Is a life worth more than £27 and 5 shillings?
On your head be it.
You do the shooting, I'll catch the bullet.
I'll do it.
그렇게 공연 시간이 찾아옵니다.
The assistance of a gentleman from the audience. Is anyone here familiar with using firearms? You, sir. You look like you might have a steady hand. Yep.
3인방이 프루프루를 불러 기적 차단을 시전합니다.
Miracles. Common or garden turnip. I transform it into an inkwell. Thank you.
I thought you said he was a magician.
기적이 차단된 아즈라파엘은 아무것도 할 수 없는 상태가 됐고 크롤리는 아즈라파엘에게 실탄을 그대로 쏘게 생겼습니다.
My miracles aren't working. Neither are mine.
게다가 프루프루는 둘이 함께 있는 사진을 찍어 지옥에 보고할 생각이었죠.
Shoot past my ear.
I'll just squeeze that bit there.
Haven't you fired a gun before?
Not as such.
폭망은 확정적이었지만 일단 약속대로 공연은 해야 하는 상황.
Shoot. Ready?
Miracle's blocked.
Get on with it, for God's sake!
결국 기적 없이 진짜 마술쇼를 성공시킵니다.
Enter! Well, well, well. What have we here? As a representative of the higher powers of hell, that you, Crowley, are in breach of the infernal code, sorting and collaborating with an angel.
Pure coincidence. I happen to be here. He asked for a volunteer.
하지만 프로프르는 간첩 3인조를 불러내며 둘을 압박했고
But you're dead.
사진까지 들이밀며 크롤리를 잡아가려 하는데
Don't bother trying any funny business, I think. Come on, come on. Expect a legion to come for you first thing tomorrow. Enjoy your last night on Earth.
Well, what about our deal?
You're free to go. It's all right.
Well, you can't leave us like this.
Granted.
Might be all right.
그렇게 프로프르는 어둠에 의회해 자신이 찍은 증거물을 제출했고
There are vacancies and temptations.
But I'm afraid it looks like you'll be staying right here.
Oh, hang on, that's not...
How? There was a miracle blocker in the room. I saw you put it back in the envelope.
The great Prof. Hoffman himself. Banana fish gorilla shoelace.
Poor old Furfur.
I'm afraid I have no idea what you're talking about, nor where this angel Gabriel...
You can let me out here.
Middle of nowhere.
It's okay. You've already told me where he is.
So how did I tell you where Gabriel is?
Didn't. You have now.
아즈라파엘이 가브리엘을 데리고 있다는 걸 눈치챈 샥스는 곧바로 바알세불에게 향하고
Well, what news?
Because he's in the book, give me a legion of hell's finest troops and see what I can do.
I want you there, Shax. On the ground.
I can do that. I'm requisitioning some demons.
Oh, yeah?
I have full authorization from Beelzebub.
Right, so, how many?
10,000 demons.
하지만 지옥은 고질적인 인력난에 시달리고 있었고
500.
What are they for?
Attacking a bookshop.
And do you 100? It's just dropped to 70.
I'll take them.
그 시각 아즈라파엘이 서점으로 돌아옵니다.
Any more clues?
I'm certainly hot on the trail of some...
The whole sudden rain and awning thing was a complete washout. Making Nina fall in love with Maggie.
Wickworth Street Traders and Shopkeepers Association monthly meeting.
아즈라파엘은 상인회의를 소집해 거기서 매기와 니나를 이어보려 합니다.
I'll need you to bring that with you tonight.
No, thank you. A 1965 Doctor Who annual. You'll let me look at it? I'll let you have it.
It is my wedding anniversary.
I have a first edition of S.W. Erdnäs's Expert at the Card Table.
I'll tell the spouse something came up.
Bring them along too.
Bonjour, Justice.
6:30. See you there.
Street Association meeting tonight, 6:30, my shop.
Are they going to talk about the Christmas lights? Because I have things to say.
Yes.
I'll be there. He's never hosted a meeting, ever. Why the change of heart?
He's unpredictable.
You've been together long?
Oh, no, it's not like that.
And then again, other people's love lives all seem so much more straightforward than our own.
한편 악마들을 소집한 샥스는
Listen to me now. Oh, legions of hell. Tonight, we launch an attack. We leave at nightfall. We use the big transporter. What is it?
The big transporter's out of service. You'll have to use the little transporter one at a time.
얼마 뒤 크롤리는 가브리엘을 찾아가는데
Got everything just the way you want it.
Mr. Fowl's been very good to me.
Surprising, really, given that the last time you two met, you tried to destroy him.
I don't remember that.
When you told my only friend to shut his stupid mouth and die, and I did not care for it.
Is there anything I can...
Jump out that window.
All right.
Stop! What are you?
I don't know. An empty house.
Because they were planning to do something terrible to you.
So you remembered it then? Remember it now?
It's not... I don't have my memory.
Where is your memory then?
In a matchbox.
So what have you learned about the miracle?
I'm in the process of verifying it, but of course, you can only tell if people are in love by waiting a few days.
Any leads on Gabriel?
He's definitely not in the shop. Does that count as a lead? It's just Aziraphale and his grumpy friend, Mr. Crowley. Oh, and of course, assistant?
He doesn't have an assistant.
No, sorry. I don't know why I said that.
Didn't we meet something about...
I don't know if it helps, but at one point, Mr. Fell and the traitor and the demon had a secret meeting about what to do next. And I didn't listen. They said it was private.
You took your memory out of a matchbox.
Yes, that's right. I took it out and I put it in the box and I brought it here. And it's, I don't know, I'm just...
What are you doing? Just making space for everything that needs to happen?
파티 준비에 한창인 아즈라파엘은 사람들을 불러오라며 크롤리를 내보내고 니나는 집착쟁이 애인의 연락을 받는데
He said to tell you the Street Traders Association meeting is starting now.
얼마 뒤 서점에는 주변 상인들이 하나둘 모여들고
Mr. Fell, where are the seats I dropped off for the meeting?
No point. Well, we'd only have to move them away again when the dancing begins, wouldn't we?
Dancing?
Just to remind you about
The meeting. I'm not coming. My partner, Lindsay, has texted and is now my former partner. So I'm going home, I'm going to drink myself senseless and have a good cry in an empty flat.
Don't do that.
Why not?
Something's going on.
Do it! I'm going mad.
Nina! The dancing's about to begin.
곧이어 매기도 가게 문을 닫고 서점으로 향하는데
What are you doing here? Give us the angel.
What? Gabriel!
You are out of order!
What are you doing? I told you, Jane Austen. We're having a ball. I've got to talk to you. It's important. I'm afraid I'm hosting a business meeting.
그 순간 니나와 매기의 눈이 마주칩니다. 음악이 시작되자 두 사람은 함께 춤을 추기 시작하죠.
Did you ever learn the steps to this dance?
그러는 사이 악마들은 서점 주위를 포위했고
Doors opening. Look, there's something wrong. There is something really wrong.
Well, perhaps you could tell me while we dance.
We don't dance. Hell has sent demons. They are milling around outside. They want Gabriel.
I think you're overestimating how much trouble we're actually in.
Surrender the angel.
Out of the question.
I have a legion of demons by my side. You have 60 seconds to hand over the Archangel Gabriel before we begin to kill people.
Excuse me. Those people want me.
And I will.
You don't need to. I'm going out.
아즈라파엘에게 미안했던 가브리엘은 제 발로 밖으로 나가지만
I'm who you want.
Send out the angel now, or everyone in the bookshop gets it!
The angel Gabriel is apparently
In there, right now, this minute!
What happened?
They told me to come back and tell you to send out the angel.
악마들도 가브리엘을 알아보지 못하는 이슈가 생겨버렸고
Standard Rules of Engagement, Clause 112, Subsection 3. Civilian non-combatants must be given sufficient time to evacuate the area of hostilities.
Are humans out of there then?
Right, I just made up a rule they're too stupid to check. I'm getting the humans out of here and then I'm coming back. I won't leave you on your own.
그렇게 상인들을 대피시키기 시작하는데
Why didn't you go?
I want to know what's happening.
You're in trouble, and we aren't leaving you on your own.
민간인들을 다 내보낸 크롤리는
Officer, I need to report a crime.
Yes, but...
Good. Put on the cuffs. I'll go quietly.
Where?
Heaven.
스스로 무리엘에게 체포되며 천국으로 날아갔고
Right. Where'd you keep your records?
In my office, but...
Lead on!
You're a demon, I can't just...
Your office. I'll follow you.
그 사이 아즈라파엘은 크롤리가 돌아올 때까지 버틸 준비를 시작하죠.
What is happening? This all started last week when the power went out, didn't it? So why were we all dancing?
I thought it might make you realize that Maggie loved you.
It all looks so simple in Jane Austen.
You're going to let us in, whether you like it. We are the legions of the damned. We are invincible.
And we're in here. You don't frighten me.
She's not embarrassing herself. She's braver than anyone I know.
You are nothing, Maggie.
You want to come in here and say that to my face?
그렇게 매기의 초대를 받은 악마들은 서점에 들어올 수 있게 되어버렸고
Hello?
circle forever. Even demons aren't that stupid.
This way, quickly.
일단 마법진 뒤쪽으로 빛이 나는 일행들. 한편 크롤리는 무리엘과 함께 가브리엘의 기록을 살펴보는데
And we begin eternity.
대천사들은 지난 실패 이후 2차 아마겟돈을 계획하고 있었고
Now, may I ask why you're not seeing it?
Surely.
Why?
I told you you could ask, so I'm not gonna answer so much.
의외로 가브리엘이 진행을 반대하며 대재앙은 일어나지 않았죠.
Doesn't sound like him at all. Any idea why not?
Not yet. They had a sort of trial.
It was a real trial. Muriel, you're the last person I'd expect to see collaborating with the enemy.
But I did arrest him.
No, you didn't.
그럼에도 사카라엘은 재판 기록을 보여주는데
And you are henceforth removed from office.
Well, I accept my fate.
Your memory of your time as Gabriel will be erased. You will be demoted. Junior Recording Angel, 38th class.
Got it. Well, I'll just need to take off my clothes and clean out my desk then.
You have a desk.
I'll be right back.
There's even more fire extinguishers up here.
Why all the fire extinguishers?
Well, there was a fire here once. Well, anyway,
Brilliant.
Chaps, I charge you to leave this place with all your people.
Give us Gabriel. Give him to us now.
Jim, go to your room. You'll be safer though.
Can we throw books at them? You must.
가브리엘의 화면 기록을 확인하던 크롤리는
Doors opening. He dropped it.
Doors closing. Going down. Can we begin the memory wipe now?
But without him here? Good idea.
I can't find his memory anywhere.
Get back up those stairs.
Fire extinguishers have all been emptied and we're out of encyclopedias.
코너까지 몰린 아즈라파엘은 자신의 후광을 떼어냈고
What just happened? I think your friend just declared war on hell.
전사들과 크롤리는 함께 서점으로 향하는데
Hello? Anybody here? Introduce them all. I did the thing with the halo. Oh, hell won't like that.
말이 끝나기가 무섭게 지옥의 악마들도 도착합니다.
We are at war!
Nobody's at war. You idiots send an idiot to lead a gang of idiots to attack a bookshop. Those idiots there want their Archangel back so they can fire him.
Nice job, Shax. Remind me to put in for your commendation.
Sarcasm, yes?
결국 크롤리와 아즈라파엘은 가브리엘의 정체를 숨긴 사실을 털어놓았고 가브리엘이 상자 뒷면에 뭔가를 쓰는 것을 본 크롤리는 그 뒷면을 확인하는데
Oh, there we go. A fly. Lord Beelzebub. Believe flies are your department.
There's only one fly here, and it's familiar.
바알제불은 서점 안에 있던 파리를 불러내더니
Here. Open it.
그렇게 돌아오는 기억들. 지난 아마겟돈 불발 후 가브리엘과 바알제불은 주기적으로 만나며 앞으로의 일을 논의했는데
I don't know who you are.
New face. I had the old one for 6,000.
Armageddon.
Armageddon. No Armageddon.
No Armageddon.
We keep the status quo. Static and, quoey.
No one could ever know.
The deal?
I like the song. Every day something is getting closer.
Then I also like it.
Agreement concluded. No need to ever meet again, is there?
하지만 둘은 그 이후에도 계속해서 만남을 가졌고
It's a very good likeness.
And do you remember the statue of Gabriel in the graveyard in Edinburgh?
2 goblets of your intoxicating liquor, please.
What's that? A classic 1960s jukebox.
가브리엘은 바알제불이 좋아하는 음악으로 주크박스 음반을 바꿔주기도 했죠.
I'm just here to get the skinny lowdown on that mysterious song that played itself on your establishment's jukebox.
Is that? Did you?
A small mirror.
Oh. I should give you something. Here. It's for you. It's bigger on the inside. You can
Good things in it.
그렇게 가브리엘은 술집 성냥갑에 파리를 넣어 보관해왔고 재판이 열리자 파리의 기억을 전부 넣어 성냥갑을 흘렸던 거죠. 이제 가브리엘은 모든 기억을 되찾았습니다.
You silly, silly angel. Why?
I was coming to you, but I forgot.
You traitor. I just found something that mattered more to me than choosing sides.
That's really sweet.
Enough to make you believe in true love?
Mortals? What are mortals doing here? Someone turn them into pillars of salt.
That won't be necessary. I'll see to this.
크롤리는 매기와 니나를 돌려보내고
Some of us have been working all night, you know.
I'm going to my shop to sleep behind the counter. Unless you'd like some help.
Pick me up some cream, oat milk, soy milk, and almond milk.
I'm on it.
이쪽은 세계의 사랑이 밝혀지며 난리가 났습니다.
I demand that you hand the gifts for Satan, our master. And I demand you hand them over to us to face celestial punishment.
Why don't we ask them? What do you want?
Better clothes, and I would like to be with Beelzebub.
If you leave, you can never come back.
그렇게 천국과 지옥 대신 서로를 선택한 가브리엘과 바알세불은 다른 곳으로 미련 없이 사라져버립니다.
Well, I'm sure they'll be thrilled that the mighty Shax has uncovered a traitor in our midst.
I am authorized to remove the name of anyone who helped Gabriel from the Book of Life. In the absence of Gabriel, I am the supreme...
I'm sorry, I must interrupt you there. The Metatron. Right, you, back to heavens, not you.
신의 대리자인 메타트론의 등장에 대천사들은 천국으로 돌아가고
Well, we have things to talk about. Shall we take a little stroll?
그렇게 아즈라파엘과 메타트론이 밖으로 나가는데
After all this, I think we are going for an extremely alcoholic breakfast at the Ritz.
Brilliant idea.
Just us, not you. You need to go.
잠시 뒤 매기와 니나가 서점을 찾아옵니다.
There are things you need to hear.
You can't just pair us up for your amusement.
I can't start seeing Maggie. When I'm ready, I hope she'll be there, but there isn't any guarantee.
There is.
Why are you telling me all this? I don't understand.
You never say what you're really thinking. Which is going.
I'm sure you two have a lot to say.
Look, I suppose, I've got something to say.
Hold that thought. I have some incredibly good news to give you. The Metatron, I don't think he's as bad and he asked who I thought should take over in heaven now that Gabriel was gone.
Michael? Oh, don't be silly. You are just the angel for the job, and I will need you to run them. I don't want to go back to heaven. Yeah, I've been looking back over a number of your previous exploits, and I see that in quite a few of them you formed a de facto partnership with the demon Crowley.
He said I could appoint you to be an angel.
And you told him just where he could stick it then?
Not at all.
They asked me back to hell. I said, no, I'm not rejoining their team. Neither should you.
But heaven...
When heaven ends life here on Earth, it'll be just as dead as if hell ended it. Tell me you said no.
I can make a difference.
We've known each other a long time. We've been on this planet for a long time. I mean, you and me. I could always rely on you. You could always rely on me. We're a team, a group. And we've spent our existence pretending that we aren't. And I would like to spend... I mean, if Gabriel and Beelzebub can do it, go off together, then we can. We don't need heaven. We don't need hell. They're toxic. You need to get away from them. Just be an us.
Come with me.
You can't leave this bookshop.
Nothing lasts forever.
No, I suppose it does. Good luck.
Crowley, come back! I need you! I don't think you understand what I'm offering you.
I think I understand a whole lot better than you do.
Well, then there's nothing more to say.
We could have been us.
I forgive you.
Don't bother.
How did he take it?
Not well.
Well, always did want to go his own way.
My bookshop.
Now I've entrusted it to Muriel, so it shall be in good hands. Well, I can't think of a better angel to wrap things up.
Can I know what it is?
Well, it's something we need an angel of your talents to direct. We call it the Second Coming.
그렇게 아즈라파엘은 천국으로 올라가 가브리엘의 뒤를 잇기를 선택하고 크롤리는 서점을 떠나며 멋진 징조들 시즌2가 끝납니다. 시즌2 관람을 마치고 물음표 투성이로 평점과 후기를 보러 가니 다들 호평일색이더라고요. 저는 여전히 편견이 아주 많은 사람인가 봅니다. 멋진 징조들 시즌2는 여전히 아름답고 따뜻하며 두 주인공의 관계는 훨씬 더 섬세해졌지만 이번 시즌은 유난히 무엇을 말하고 싶은가 보다 무엇을 포함했는가에 더 많은 힘을 쏟은 듯한 인상이었고 그 과정에서 장면 하나하나가 감정의 축적이라기보단 무언가를 상징하려는 장치처럼 느껴질 때가 많다고 느껴졌습니다. 다양성이란 개념이 당연해진 세상이 됐지만 이야기와 유기적으로 맞물릴 때 더 큰 울림이 생기는 법인데 이번 시즌은 때때로 관계를 표현하기 위한 이야기가 아니라 관계를 보여주기 위한 이야기처럼 느껴지더군요. 물론 취향에 맞으신 분들께는 여전히 반갑고 재밌고 가슴 뛰는 이야기였겠습니다. 멋진 징조들 시즌2는 아마존 프라임 비디오에서 시청할 수 있습니다. 감사합니다.